Most AI assistants today are fundamentally reactive. You type a prompt, you wait for a response, and when you close the tab, the AI stops working. But what if your AI never clocked out? At Google.io 2026, Google completely changed the game by announcing Gemini Spark, an autonomous 24 into 7 personal AI agent designed to run continuously in the background. It watches, plans, and acts across the digital ecosystem before problems even begin bottlenecks. In this video, we are breaking down exactly what Gemini Spark is, how its background architecture works, and how you can use it to fully automate your digital life. So, let's dive straight in. Unlike standard chatbots, Spark is a persistent cloud-based agentic layer built on top of Google Blazing Fast Gemini 3.5 Plus model. When you assign it a job, the task runs a persistent process on dedicated Google Cloud virtual machine. That means Spark stay active whether your phone is logged, your laptop is shut, or your Wi-Fi off at home. It shifted AI from ask and answer to observe, plan, and execute. It is designed to handle multi-step actions across different tools, working autonomously under your explicit direction without needing constant manual supervision. Spark real power comes from its massive connectivity and background execution. Here are the standout features you need to know. First is always on background work. Because it runs persistently in the cloud, Spark can monitor your email, compliance reports, and coordinate calendar while you are asleep or in a meeting. Native and third-party integration. It's seamless integrated with your Google Workspace, Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, Sheets, and connect to over 30 third-party applications via MCP integrations, which makes quite easy to handle. Getting Spark to work for you relies on three core concepts to simplify complex automations. First is task. These are the individual jobs you can give Spark. For example, you can say synthesize my inbox for critical updates this week and draft reply to new leads. Spark will execute this autonomously across multiple steps. Second is skills. Think of skills as reusable instructions. You can tell Spark, read the last 50 emails I sent and create a style guide for my tone. You can then save this as a skill and apply it anytime Spark draft an email for you, saving you from writing repetitive prompt over and over again. Third is schedules. This is where the magic happens. You can set time based on condition triggers. For example, every Monday at 9 a.m., scan my inbox, review this week emails, and generate a prioritized to do list. These all things can done by Google Spark instantly. Now, how does this actually change your workday? Imagine proactive inbox management. Instead of opening your computer to 200 unread emails, Spark has already categorized them, drafted responses for new clients, flagged the urgent ones, and compiled a quick try summary for you to review. Or think about document completion. If you need to send your team a status update, Spark can independently pull data from scattered Google Docs, Sheets, and email threads, synthesize it all into a clean report before you even have to ask. It handles the heavy lifting from start to finish. So, Gemini Spark isn't just an upgrade, it's a fundamental shift toward an agentic operation layer for you to work and live. It is currently rolling out in a beta for US based Google AI Ultra subscribers. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe our channel so that when it launch, I will try my best to provide you how to use this in free and how to use this properly. Okay, and if needed, we will do it ourselves. Okay, so that's all about today's video, and I hope you like this video. So make sure to like it, share the video to everyone, and don't forget to subscribe. So see you in the next video, guys. Happy coding.